Are you looking for the best ring thermostats? In this video we will look at some of the best ring thermostats. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat with Voice Control. If you care about the design, build quality, and features of the thermostat, an all-in-one package, there's no competition for the Ecobee Smart Thermostat in the market right now. After launching a few good models, this thermostat model from Ecobee is the latest one which has been improved and perfected over the years. Using this thermostat, you can almost save up to 26% on HVAC energy annually. Moreover, the thermostat comes with a small additional sensor that you can place in your bedroom, and allow the thermostat to adjust for the best temperature settings for you automatically. In addition, you can even control it using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, etc. Although it's a bit expensive, its design and the features are quite good and justify the pricing very well. On top of that, Ecobee offers a 3-year warranty for the thermostat, which is a wonderful add-on. Saves up to 26% on HVAC energy annually. Comes with Alexa built-in. Compatible with almost all HVAC systems. Number 2. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Quite easy to install and has been rated very well by past users. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat ST55 is one of the most affordable options in this listicle, yet it comes with all the essential features. The thermostat is actually smart enough to sense your presence, thanks to geofencing. Moreover, other handy features like 7-day flexible scheduling, remote access, and in-app system usage make it one of the best and most viable thermostat options for your home. With accurate and timely automatic adjustments offered by this thermostat, you can save up to 23% on HVAC energy annually. Moreover, it's compatible with almost all HVAC systems and does not even require a C-wire for most installations. In addition, it has inbuilt Wi-Fi, so it can accept voice commands from Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, C-wire required, and Samsung SmartThings, and also controllable from the Sensi mobile app. Flexible 7-day scheduling option. Controllable via Sensi mobile app. Number 3. SunTouch Command Touchscreen Programmable Thermostat. In case you don't want to complicate things with smart features, a simple programmable thermostat option like the SunTouch command is going to be the best choice for you. Unlike most other conventional thermostats, this one requires you to program your settings once, and the rest of the job will be handled by it automatically. It's a great option to pick if you are looking for an advanced thermostat without getting into the complications of smart features. It comes with a fantastic 3.5 inches touchscreen that has all the essential controls and provides you with an easy way to manage temperatures inside your home. Moreover, you can program an intuitive 7-day schedule after the installation, and it will automatically adjust the room temperatures as you program it. In addition, it supports both floor and air sensing modes to ideally adjust the temperature of the floor warming system as per your scheduled time. 5 inches touchscreen. Intuitive 7-day schedule. Has floor and air sensing modes. Programmable thermostat. Get warmth whenever and wherever you want it with the SunTouch SunStat Command Touchscreen Thermostat, an industry-leading thermostat with Smart Start technology that automatically adjusts when the floor warming system turns on to ensure that the floor is warm at your scheduled time. Color display. Equipped with a 3.5-inch digital touchscreen, this thermostat features a sleek, thin profile, large, easy-to-read portrait display, and a choice of 5 preset color themes to suit your aesthetic preferences. You can also paint the retractable beauty ring to match your room's decor. Feature-packed, this thermostat boasts a number of useful features, including smart floor and air sensor modes, intuitive 7-day programmable schedule, an away feature, energy use monitoring, programming setup wizard, and comprehensive help screens for easy troubleshooting. Number 4. Kono KNS-AMZ004 Wi-Fi enabled smart thermostat. Lastly, one of the best thermostat options we would suggest you go for is this Kono KNS-AMZ004 Wi-Fi enabled smart thermostat, as it's fairly priced and comes with all the essential smart features that you might ever need. Speaking about the features of this Kono thermostat, it is compatible with all the industry-leading voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Moreover, it also comes with the advanced geofencing feature that detects your proximity in the nearby area and adjusts the temperatures as you come or leave from home. Moreover, these effective adjustments with smart scheduling can help you save up a lot of money and energy. Since it also features inbuilt Wi-Fi, you can also control the thermostat right from your mobile phone and take full control over it. In addition, this thermostat can also tell you about indoor air quality as well. Smart scheduling. Features geofencing. Remote control via mobile app. Number 5. Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. When you are looking out for a smart thermostat in the market, you will definitely come across options offered by Emerson, as it has a wide range of thermostats at a very budget-friendly cost. This smart thermostat option from Emerson is a highly power-efficient choice to pick, as it can save up to 23% on HVAC energy in your home by automatically fixing the room temperatures to ideal levels. In fact, it can be used with almost all kinds of HVAC systems. No matter which one you use, all it requires is a C-wire for the connection. The thermostat comes with a beautiful touchscreen that allows you to navigate through and use all of its features. Moreover, it also has inbuilt Wi-Fi, so you can monitor every setting via a mobile application, and also use it with your voice commands, as it also supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings home automation systems. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control. Supports most HVAC systems. Compatible with most voice assistants.